Saan papasok to? Johnny, you cannot get in here. Wala. Anong meron dito?
This is not scary at all.
There's not. It just does a walk.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
Yeah.
That's the end.
Huh? That's it?
I'm saying you're okay.
Ano meron dito, guys? What's in here?
Oh, wow. Where's my lights?
Huh? That's it?
I cannot see. Where's my lights?
Oh my god, wait.
Let's go back. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in there. Walang meron doon. Anong meron doon? Akala ko kung anong meron doon, wala pala. You wanna go there? Or you wanna wait for us here? Let's go. Nothing. It's just a cave, but it's a dead-end cave.
Anong kayo? Tingnan mo.
Anong nangyari?
Parang copies.
CR.
CR ba yun?
Woman. There's Johnny, Johnny. Oh, ubas. Ubas to, no? Ito, ubas to, no?
Hindi.
Hindi ba? Passion fruit?
Hindi. Ito, ubas. Totoo na pala siya kumukuha na.
Sino yan? Who's Lex Baxter, Johnny? Do you know him? Cowboy hat.
Sandy, you might sink.
This cowboy.
You're right here. Get inside.
Yeah,
This
parang ganyan yung ano, yung
Kanina,
pinasukan
pero
kanina.
ano,
Oh.
mas
Pero
malayo.
makita mo yung ano, yung talaga the whole mountain. Yan.
Hi! Can I climb on the mountain?
Oh, wow!
Sa gabi may ilaw kaya dito?
Wala, syempre.
Ay, may camera. Oh.
Saan?
Yan.
Nasaan ang camera?
Yan, nasa bintana.
Ay, doon, nasa labas.
Sa labas. No? Pero ano.
There's bayad.
$7.
Christy, turista. Ang payat-payat na ni Christy. Oo.
Maganda dyan, oh. Hi!
Hi! Ay, ang ganda dyan, ating. Ay, ismell ka dyan, ating. Parang ano? Ate, Karina. Dyan, dyan, dyan. Oo.
Sa Pilipinas, yan yung damo.
2, 3. Ang ganda dyan. Yeah, pala pang palaspas.
Ah, dito, mamaya picture friend.
Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Asan lang asawa ko? Nani, take a picture here. May kayo.
Sige, sige.
Take a picture. Ano? Tubig.
I think that's
ng tubig.
Yeah. Water.
Hello.
Hi!
Sa Pilipinas?
Tara na.